Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a Zara unboxing and try on haul. I've always been a fan of Zara and I'm super duper excited to share with you guys some of the stuff that I got. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So guys, let's start off with the smallest shopping bag. And I've got myself a perfume. This one is the Vetiver Pamplemousse from the Zara Emotions collection. A collection created by Joe Loves. If you're not familiar with Joe Loves, it is a perfume brand created by Jo Malone. And I think she created a new brand because she can no longer use her name or her brand Jo Malone because she already sold it to Estee Lauder. And parang Estee Lauder na yung may-ari or may hawak sa copyright, trademark and everything. And this one is 90ml and these retails for like 2,400 or 500. I'm not really sure, but I will put the link in the description box below. And this is how the box looks like, and it's minimalist and I love it. Here's the bottle. I love that for its price, it feels expensive, it looks expensive, and most importantly, it smells expensive. Yes, I've tried this already, and it smells like a legit grapefruit. If you are from the Philippines, it smells like pomelo, like a legit pomelo. Like imagine guys, nakapikit kayo and may nag-spray neto, aakalaan nyo na may pomelo sa harap nyo. And guys, smells like the yummy pomelo from Davao, guys. You know, the sweetness of pomelo and the bitterness, a slight bitterness. I love it. Oh, I really love the smell. It's super fresh, it's light, it's something na hindi nagkakos ng headache. Kasi ayoko sa perfume yung nagkakos ng headache. This one's perfect for the summer, like actually for all seasons. I think magagamit mo siya as an everyday perfume. Ako talaga, I love perfumes. I feel like it's an everyday accessory na tipong nakabihis ka na or nakasuot ka na ng mga accessories mo pero parang may kulang pa rin if hindi ka pa nakakapaglagay ng pabango. So guys, let's proceed to the next one. And these are t-shirts. It's like an oversized shirt and I got this for like 895 pesos and I'm actually wearing the other one. I got white and this like, what color is this? It's like a khaki or military green or olive green. Am I correct guys? Not really familiar with colors. And this one is not actually super white, it's like creamy white. If you look at it closely, it's like an off-white or creamy nude-ish white something. And I love that, super comfy. I don't know if this is still available sa website nila, but I'll try to put the link in the description box below. So next up guys are these. I think these are shirts as well. Let me open this first. ASMR na to. Oh, this one is the limited edition shirt, Satin Shirt that I got. I super love this. You can wear this as a cover-up or like a blazer. You know, even with this one, I think it's better. Let me try this. There guys. Diba? It looks super nice. But this one's a bit expensive. Like, I think it's really expensive for what it is. But I love it. Like, the quality is really good. Super well made. And I don't know, I just love how it looks. I love the design. You can wear it like this or eto lang. This shirt is part of the Spring-Summer collection 2021 of Zara. And may isa pa nito na parang gusto ko kasi sold out na. Yung parang, I think, shirt rin siya na color white na parang kimono, but sadly sold out na siya. Buti na abutan ko pa to kasi parang like after a week, wala, sold out na rin to. But I will try to put the link in the description box kung available pa siya. I super love this, guys. Super comfy. Like, perfect rin siya for summer, for the beach. If you're going to the beach or travel, kung makakapag-travel tayo, diba? Napakaganda niya. Like, now I understand why it is a bit expensive because the cloth or the tela feels expensive. Like, it's parang something that I can get from a luxury brand. I super love this. So guys, this next item is also a shirt. I think, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it is. And I also have another small item here. But let me show you this one first. Yeah, it's a shirt. Oh my god, I love this. The tela is so soft. Like, the cloth is super comfy. Like, really perfect for summer. There, I love the print. Look at that, guys, diba? Super love the print. Super aesthetic. I love it. Can't wait to wear this sa beach. Diba? Lahat sinuot ko na talaga. Diba? It looks so chic. I love it. And guys, I have a pair of socks here. Love the color. Look at that. I'm watching Youth of May ni Lee Do-yoon and Gu Min-si. I'm not really sure if I'm pronouncing their names correctly, but I was super inspired with the show na nag-decide akong bumili netong socks na to na 1980s or 70s inspired. And guys, I love this. Super duper love this. And bagay siya dito. Naka-shoes ako ng Converse na white or parang caramel na color. Oh my gosh. I love the vibe or the combo. Diba? Super. Guys, this is a sign of aging na parang gusto ko na yung mga kalumang bagay. I don't know if ako lang yun. Feeling ko hindi lang ako. So guys, let's proceed to this big box. Actually, mas bigger to, but let's start first in this. This, I have an idea kung anong nasa loob. This is the first time na makikita ko siya in person. Pero I've been wanting this design or yung aesthetic ng shoes na to. Oh, sabi ko na, yeah, it's a shoes, guys. Tada! The moment I saw this on the Zara website, talagang clinic ko agad yung checkout or yung buy this or whatever. Because guys, it kind of looks like the Alexander McQueen sneakers, which is super famous among celebrities. Like, I've seen Jungkook and a lot of Filipino celebrities wearing this. I mean, the Alexander McQueen sneakers. But gantong-ganto yung itsura niya. Like, I'll post a picture ng Alexander McQueen para ma-compare nyo. Like, because this one is super well made. Like, I love the quality and proven and tested ko na yung mga shoes sa Zara. Kasi most of my shoes are just from Zara. I'm not really a shoe person. Like, I'm not really into shoes. Mas mabag akong tao or small leather goods. Kasi I feel like, ba't akong bibili ng super mahal na shoes when itatapa ko lang siya sa lupa or somewhere na madumi, diba? Pero, who knows, in the future, baka bumili rin ako ng luxury shoes, but not anytime soon. Super simple lang siya. I'm pretty sure na magmamatch to sa kahit anong outfit. Like, magpa-formal man yan, or casual, babagay talaga to. So, and you can never go wrong with a white sneaker, with a classic white sneaker. Like this one, it's a classic design, so it will match everything. And then next, guys, I got myself a trousers. Ta-da! It's like an oversized white leg trousers. It's actually a carrot easy pants. Yun yung nakalagay sa description. And kilala niyo kung sino yung nag-inspire sa akin yung bumili nito. It's Taeyong or V ng BTS. Kasi diba madalas siyang naka khaki or nude na wide leg na pants. Diba? Super love it because it's very comfy and super stylish. And it matches everything. Like plain shirts, printed, and I feel like na bagay sila. Diba? I super love this combo. Taran! And I can't wait to wear them. Hindi ko lang alam kung saan ko sila gagamitan, pero for sure, magagamit natin to one of these days. Kung may travel or may events, what events talaga. Diba? I super love it. Medyo malaki siya actually because this one is XL. I picked XL. Eh, parang large lang ako eh. So, ayan. But, okay lang. Kaya naman remedyohan. Char. So guys, down to the last box. Like this huge box. Alam ko mostly bags to. So, I'm super excited to see them in person. Like, first is this one. It's like a mini tote bag. And it's made from nylon material, if I'm not mistaken. And yung interior niya is denim or jeans. I super love it. I feel like this one is durable for its price. You know what guys, I got this for only 600 something lang. Kasi naka-sale siya. Diba? So guys, instead of buying fake bags, instead of buying, you know, counterfeit bags, why not bili na lang kayo ng mga ganito from high street brands. Diba? It looks like a designer bag, right? Diba? So, kesa naman, diba, mag-guilty ka na gumagamit ka ng fake, edi, pumili ka na lang ng mura, pero, patente. Diba? And the strap is made of nylon, if I'm not mistaken, and silver hardware, and it's super spacious. Like, you can fit your wallet, your phone, a water bottle. This is really nice. I'm planning to give this to my sister because I feel like this is more like her style. Parang ganito lang, casual, nothing fancy, super simple, like for everyday use, for an everyday bag, this one's really perfect. So, guys, visit Zara.com. Ang dami niyong makikitang mura pero super aesthetic and at the same time super well-made. So guys, another bag which I super duper love is this one. Oh my gosh, this one's super duper nice. Look at those details, guys. Guys, can we just appreciate how lovely and how aesthetic this bag is? Like, I love the hardware. It's like gunmetal. Sometimes napapaisip ako paano ginagawa ng Zara to na parang ang gaganda ng quality pero super affordable. Like for this one, this is just parang 1,500. Let's say 1,500. I think this one's still available on their website. And it comes in 3 different colors, I guess. May black, may silver, and then this one. I think 4 nga eh. I think there is dark green pa. And the strap is also made from nylon material and also the hardware of the strap is gunmetal. And it is removable and adjustable. You can use this with your other bags. And also this one, you can use a different strap. Like if you have a Longchamp strap or a Louis Vuitton strap or a strap from Marc Jacobs, diba? Super nice. Tapos yung bag nyo, high street brand lang. Diba? Ang ganda ng combination. And this kind of reminds me of the Rimowa collaboration with Dior. Yung parang ganito talaga yung tsura na bag nila. I'll try to put a picture here. I super love this. Like, it's also spacious, guys. Look. Like, it can fit your phone, a wallet, like wet tissue, alcohol, all of your essentials can fit in here. I super love it. And guys, another bag. Medyo makarami tayo ng bili ng bag. Pero guys, these are super affordable. Like, with this one, guys, the bag kinda looks like the mini pochette or, I mean multi-pochette or the Prada re-edition na parang multi-pochette bag rin. Diba? Comes with this parang lalagyan ng AirPods or gums or coins or whatever. And then this one, this mini baguette, like pwede siyang gawing baguette, right? And then my compartment dito sa front, and then also here is the main compartment. This one is like a mini bag, like hindi siya masyadong spacious, but yung mga essentials, daily essentials can fit here. Like your phone, wet tissue, alcohol gel, wallet, like a mini or compact wallet. This one's super nice. But the strap is not removable. It's only adjustable. So you can wear it like this or a crossbody bag. I super love this. And this comes in two colors. This one and a black and silver combination. But I picked this because it's neutral. It's like a nude pink. Or what color is this? I'm not really sure. I love it, guys. Super nice, right? The color is super trendy. Like it's very now, diba? I love it. And guys, last but not the least is this one. It's a knitted jacket or cardigan. Like it's super heavy, guys. Medyo heavy siya for a jacket or cardigan, but super nice. It was really Taeyong na nag-inspire sa akin na bumili ng mga gantong colors like this one. I feel like it's a perfect match. Kahit naka-white t-shirt lang ako, and then this one, and then this. And then a perfume and a bag. And the shoes. Gosh, it's a perfect airport look. Gosh, I miss traveling. COVID, please go away. I super love this, guys. Look at the details. Like, it's super duper well made. Like, if hindi ko alam na Zara to, akalain ko na this is from Gucci or from a luxury brand. Kasi, my gosh, the feels, everything feels expensive and it looks expensive. I super love it. Diba? Lakas maka-Korean ng mga gantong colors and ng mga gantong design. Diba? So, let me try this. See guys, diba? Lakas maka-Korean. Tapos, magsuot ka ng oversized glasses. Ayan. Annyeonghaseyo. Charot. Diba? So, that's it for today's short haul or unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Teka, tanggalin ko lang kasi medyo nagre-reflect yung sun. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Bye!